Hello everyone, welcome to week 3 IED. I quickly just want to go over everything that we're going to be doing this week, hopefully make it through everything, but the order in which you should be doing these things. So if you go to week 3, you'll see the watch me first. This is just this video that I'm creating right here. That's where that will be. Then you've got two PowerPoints. You've got 1.1.5 decision matrix and then 1.1.3 concept sketching. I want you to take notes on both of these. We talked about it last week and how you would be taking notes on those. And then I have that note check here for you with the Cornell note sheet template attached and ready for you to use. So you can access that, type up these notes. They're pretty quick. Decision matrix is only about 3 slides. This one has a lot of pictures. I think it's only 12 slides, but it's still just a ton of pictures. So that's the thing you should do first. Get that submitted first and foremost. Then we come down here, the next two items we have. We have the 1.1.5 decision matrix student template. There's nothing you need to do with this. If you click on it, which you can, it opens up the Google Doc, I don't know how you want to say it, of the blank decision matrix. That's all that is. Below that, I've got a concept sketching video. I do want you to watch this. Either you can watch it on your own, we'll probably watch it together, cover some good stuff, but at some point, either you will watch it or we'll watch it together. All right, the last two things. I'm actually going to unpublish the last one because I don't know if we're going to get to that right now. So you're only going to see this 1.1.3 tape dispenser concept sketch assignment. What we're going to do, using the sketching tips guide, you're going to sketch the tape dispenser shown or a tape dispenser of your own. I recommend the one that's shown. Do not trace the image and do not add shading in. You're going to use a plain sheet of paper or graph paper, and you'll be using the steps that we went over in the PowerPoint to create your own concept sketch of this tape dispenser. So I want you to take your time, draw lightly, and then go over in dark to avoid erasing. Try not to smudge. And then you're going to attach your drawing to the assignment when finished to receive credit. So here is the tape dispenser you'll be drawing, and you'll be attaching it to this assignment to receive credit. So you're going to be drawing on paper. That means you're going to physically have to take a picture of it in order to get it submitted. I'll have a document in here that you can click on and just copy, or insert your picture into that document, but you will still have to draw it on paper. If you go back to the concept sketching, it goes over all the steps that you need to do it. So you've got to obviously go through this PowerPoint first, and then it walks you through sketching. So it goes, this is with shading, how to shade, all that. So it's, like I said, your turn. On a sheet of paper, you'll be using the steps we just went over to create your own concept sketch of a tape dispenser. Take your time, draw lightly, and try not to smudge. Yeah, so those are the two things I have you doing right now. You're going to be doing the notes, getting those turned in, and the concept sketching of the tape dispenser and getting that turned in as well. If you have any questions, feel free to ask in class, or you can shoot me a Schoology message. Have a good day.